The Institute of Cost Accountants of India has made an important announcement today regarding the re-examination of intermediate and final course students due to technical reasons, and this is for home-based online examinations for the term of December 2020. To see what all is in the notification, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I make educational and informative videos for CSCS and CMA students as well as members. Today's video is a very important video for our CMA students, and hit the like button if you found it informative, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet, and stay connected with me by following me on Instagram as well. The announcement is regarding the re-examination timetable for online home-based students not able to attain any paper or papers due to technical reasons. अब पता था CMA ने home-based ऑनलाइन मोड से एग्जाम्स करवाए थे फॉर दिसंबर 2020 टर्म, बट इन केस यू आर अ स्टूडेंट जो दे नहीं पाया एग्जाम ड्यू टू technical reasons, now the re-examination timetable date sheet is up for the intermediate and final examination students, and the dates will be from 17th February to 24th February 2021. So this is the date sheet for intermediate and final students. Starting with intermediate, the timing will be 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and intermediate group 1 will be held on 17th February, 19th February, 21st February and 23rd February. And group 2 will be held on 18th February, 20th February, 22nd February and 24th February. Moving on to final, the timing is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Final, group 3 will be held on 17th February, 19th February, 21st February and 23rd February, and final group 4 will take place on 18th February, 20th February, 22nd February and 24th February. Now you can see that intermediate and final examination will be held on alternate dates for each group. You can see alternate dates हो गई, मतलब एक दिन group 1 का तो उससे अगले दिन group 2 का, फिर उससे अगले दिन group 1 का, फिर group 2 का. So alternated dates पे होंगे एग्जाम्स फॉर ग्रुप 1 एंड ग्रुप 2. सो ये डेट शीट है इंटर के लिए और फाइनल के लिए. टाइमिंग्स भी दी हुई हैं, डेट्स भी दी हुई हैं और सामने मेंशन है कि कौन सा पेपर किस दिन होगा. So please note that students must not indulge into any unfair means or malpractices during the examination. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना that leads to unfair means या फिर malpractices. जो भी students हैं basically re-examination उनके लिए है जिन्होंने home based online examinations दिए थे और किसी टेक्निकल रीजंस की वजह से आप कोई एक पेपर या पेपर्स नहीं दे पाए. सो यू आर अलाउड टू अपीयर इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन नाउ. एलिजिबल कैंडिडेट्स जो रहेंगे नीड टू अपीयर इन दिस विद द सेम एडमिट कार्ड. तो एडमिट कार्ड कोई नया नहीं आएगा, वही जो आपको ऑलरेडी इशूड एडमिट कार्ड से उसी के साथ आप पेपर में बैठोगे. Instructions and guidelines that were already issued for examination that took place from January 3rd to 10th stay the same. अगर आपने ये नहीं देखे तो I'll put the link in the description box and also in the I button above. You can go and check the instructions and guidelines. Candidate has to fulfill all the criteria for sitting in the examination. Relevant login credentials और URL link जो है वो आपको भेज दिया जाएगा. You must keep a check on your mail as well as your SMS, क्योंकि through mails या SMS ही institute जो है आपसे communicate करेगी. Other things related to provisions of direct tax laws, indirect tax laws, Finance Act, Companies Rules, ICDR, IND-AS and AS, जो मतलब जो पहले already notified था for 3rd to 10th January 2021 वो सेम रहेगा, कुछ भी changes नहीं है. रिजल्ट की डेट अनाउंस कर दी जाएगी. फिर भी अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी है, यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट at exam.helpdesk@icmai.in. Really hope that you found the video informative. Do share it with your CMA friends and hit the like button if you found it informative and you found the content really useful to you, and subscribe to my channel as it's totally cost free, right? So all the best to the students who will be sitting in these examinations.